GoPro Hero 8 Black underwater test number 1. Let's see what happens. Dude, what would happen? Oh boy. Oh, it's gotten colder. Has it? Yes, yes it has. Oh boy. Oh, it's a big one. Oh god. Okay, gotta hold on tight. Okay, there goes my swimsuit. Okay. Well, you're alive. And there's water all over it. All right, no time like the present. Let's see what it looks like. You're alive! It's alive! Too deep, too deep. Oh, it's a lot of water. I'm drowning. Not really. Wow, you're alive. The Imperium of Man shall not fall. Oh, this is sick. Oh, this is cool as fuck. Oh, it's a big one. I'm just waiting for the next big one. Should be coming soon, right? There's a big one. Every single time, fucking tries to take my bathing suit. Oh. Oh. The planet breaks before the... Oh, fuck. It won't break before the guard does. Oh. 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 Well, I've really put you through it today, haven't I? See with my grip. Oh. Lake water there. Oh, all right. I think that does it for me.